How to send money from Zelle to Bitcoin. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can actually send your money from Zelle to Bitcoin. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you would like to sell your money, which means you're from Zelle to Bitcoin, and that you would like to buy Bitcoin using your Zelle, it's actually quite simple. So for this, first of all, you have to come to the official website, which is paxful.com. It is a third-party site that will help you to exchange these funds. So right over here, you can see you can by default select the Bitcoin option, which is going to get selected by default, and you can select pay with. So under this payment method, you just have to search for Zelle Pay. So once you tap this search payment method option, you should be able to see a list of payment methods that are available. Here you can see popular in the USA is Zelle Pay, or you can also simply type them manually in the search bar. And once you've done that, depending upon the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy on the US currency. So if you want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin from Zelle Pay, you can select that much and then tap the find offers option. You should be able to see a list of offers available, and as a result you will be able to buy after verifying with your Zelle account. This way you'll be able to send money from Zelle to Bitcoin. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.